Gap on day 3. Just got dropped off by a taxi. This is Sara. And this is Salty. And Salty's dad. Kent. No trail name yet for these two. My new trail name is Carmen San Diego. It's windy and a little bit cold. Just started out on day 3 and it's much nicer when it's not raining because then you can see stuff like this. I'm at Lance Creek camping area right now. I'm gonna fill up some water and about to start the climb up to Blood Mountain. Blood, well, Slaughter Creek. Fitting name for a creek. Just before I go the last 0.8 miles up Blood Mountain. Right now I'm in the bear zone. You're not allowed to camp in here without a bear canister. So it's the danger zone. And here's the creek for my water. So I made it up the mountain and I'm now at Blood Mountain Shelter and I'm gonna go see what this view looks like. So this is the top from the rock on Blood Mountain. So I'm coming down Blood Mountain. It's a lot easier going down than up, I'll tell you that. But it was easier than doing Sassafras and Justice Mountain back to back in the rain yesterday. Actually, it wasn't too bad. Nice and steady going all the way up. And then coming down, great weather. Hopefully I'll get a spot at the hostel down below. Hopefully. I think that the hostels that were full last night because of the rain, they dropped off all the people super early, so they're way ahead of me. And if they all have the same idea as me, I might be in a little bit of trouble. And well, you know what? Worst comes to worst, I just hike on it in tent. That's not a bad option either, because it doesn't look like it's gonna rain.
Either he went